Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a Grizzly G0643-21-Spindle line boring machine. Those 21 spindles are on 32mm centers. You do have dual pin sets, so you can index longer boring lengths. So if you want to go beyond the 21 spindles. This machine is powered by a 2 horsepower single phase motor. Your left and right hand sides mirror one another. You do have a fence and a flip stop. And if we come to the right, you will see that you have a fence and a flip stop. Loosening these rear levers will allow you to adjust your table. If we pull on the table, you'll see that you do have fences, again, left and right. And this will allow you to move your centers. You do have a needle valve to adjust that dive speed. Up top, you have a numeric readout for depth. We're gonna turn the power on and put my hand over so you can see. When I hit the green button, it is going to illuminate. This machine is foot pedal operated. So when you hit the foot pedal, the pneumatics will actuate and turn the motor on as it cycles. Down below, you do have a storage compartment and an owner's manual. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.